Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today we're making a gingerbread house. So we're currently drawing the house we want, and we're using cardboard at first and then just butter paper or whatever it's called to trace the drawing from the cardboard. And I'll have a link in the description where you can download this template.
When the snow falls outside, you can hold me tight. When it's cold through the night, we'll stay warm inside. We'll feel the fire burning, baby. Spin that record one more time, 'cause we're gonna spend our night dancing in Christmas style. Pack your bags, pack your coat. Hurry up, it's time to go. Jingle bells and let it snow, playing on our radio. Feel the home fires burning, baby. This drive might take a while, but we are headed home, traveling Christmas style. Everybody's snowed, but we got the fire going. Who cares what the weathermen say? We're with the ones we love on Christmas Day. Laughter floats through the air, wrapping paper everywhere. Lights aglow on the tree. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Feel the heart fire burning, baby. Tell that story one more time. We're gonna spend our night living in Christmas style all night. Living in Christmas style, that's right. Living in Christmas style.
Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I think that turned out really good. If you want to build our gingerbread house, there's a link down below to the template. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go,